Hi and welcome, families. Thank you for participating in Step Up for Students. In today's video, we're going to go over how to reset your password and unlock your accounts. This first section will cover how to reset and unlock your account for our legacy systems under the FTC FES EO scholarships. The first step is going to be to visit our website, www.stepupforstudents.org. Once you're on our home page, please navigate to the top of the page where the Apply/Login button is available. Once you click on the Apply/Login option, a pop-up will appear. Please review the information and close the pop-up. At this point, you're able to scroll down until you see Renewal Families and the option to log into your 22-23 account. You will click on this option. Once you're at the login screen, you will see the option to either retrieve your password or your user ID. We're going to click on I forgot my password or user ID to continue. Once you do, please click on password and follow the prompts. Once you complete the steps to reset your password, you will have unlocked your account and reset your password. At this point, you're able to access your account. If you have an FES UA account, please stay tuned as more information will be available. There will also be information regarding your Emma account. The next section will cover how to reset and unlock your password for the FES UA scholarship in our legacy systems. In order to get started, please navigate to our website, www.stepupforstudents.org. Across the top of the screen, you're going to see an option in red that says Apply/Login. Please click on this option to begin the process. Once you're on this page, a pop-up will appear. Please review the information and click Close to close the pop-up. Once you do, you will now be able to scroll down to the page and locate the FES UA login. What we are looking for specifically is log into your 22-23 account. Once you do, you'll be taken to your login page for your FES UA scholarship in our legacy systems. Here, you'll see the Forgot Password option below the login. Click on this option and follow the prompts in order to reset your password. If your FES UA legacy account is locked, you will need to reach out to us at our service center. You can do so via chat on our website at www.stepupforstudents.org, or you can call us at 877-735-7837. The next section of the video is going to go over resetting your password for the new Emma platform. This next section will go over how to reset your password in the new Emma platform and also how to unlock your account. The first step is going to be to go to our website, www.stepupforstudents.org. Once you do, locate the Apply/Login button across the top of the screen. Please click on this option as it will take you to the login page. Once you do, a pop-up will appear. Please review the information and close the pop-up accordingly. Please scroll down until you locate the appropriate login location, whether that is for the FTC or FES EO or for the FES UA scholarship. What we are going to look for is renew your scholarship for 23-24 or apply for a 23-24 scholarship. These two options will be in red, and they will both take you to our Emma information page, the Education Market Assistant. This page will give you information on the new Emma platform and also information on how to get started. As you continue to scroll down, you'll see a section for renewal families. Here you will see the option at the bottom to log in into your Emma account. Once you do, you'll be taken to the Emma platform. Here you'll have the option to either click on forget username or forget password. We want to go ahead and click on forget password. Once you do, you'll be prompted to enter your email address for a verification code. Please follow the prompts in order to complete the process. Once you've completed the prompts, you will have successfully reset your Emma account password. Now, if your Emma account is locked, you will need to contact our service center in order to unlock your account. And you can do so either by phone at 877-735-7837 or via the chat on our website at www.stepupforstudents.org. Once again, thank you for joining us. Thank you for participating with Step Up for Students, and have a wonderful day.